sun feels colder now. Through the window I can see a world I thought I understood was never what it seemed to be. They sold me stories wrapped in gold, whispers soft but voices bold. Now the cracks are clear and the lies unfold. My friends still live in shadows, afraid to see the light. I was like them once, believing every tale they'd write. But I'm waking up, breaking free from the cage they built for me. The truth was always there, I just refused to see. Oh, I don't want the pretty lies, the ones they sold to hypnotize. I'd rather face the storm than live their fantasy. They told me the sky was falling down, that the end was close at hand. Fed me fear to keep me small, like castles built on sinking sand. Every fire, every war, painted villains kept the score. But who's the hero now when the mask they wore? My heart breaks for the ones who sleep, still chained to what they're told. But I'll keep moving forward, even if I walk alone. 'Cause I'm waking up, breaking free from the cage they built for me. The truth was always there, I just refused to see. Oh, I don't want the pretty lies, the ones they sold to hypnotize. I'd rather face the storm than live their fantasy. And where are the men, the ones who stand, not boys who fold at slight command? Where's the courage, where's the fight, the spine to hold what's just and right? I see the masks they wear, the fear they hide, but I've stopped pretending, I've stepped outside. The truth is bitter, cold as ice, but freedom's worth the sacrifice. Now I'm waking up, breaking free from the lies they sold to me. I see the world for what it is and not what they pretend to be. Oh, I don't need their scripted tales, their voices thin, their courage frail. I face the storm and reclaim what's real to me. I'm awake now, can't go back. No more treading their beaten track. The truth was waiting all along, and now it's where I belong. No, I'll never need their pretty lies, no veil of fear to hypnotize. I'll face the storm and reclaim what's really seen. The storm can rage, the skies can fall, but I'll stand tall, I'll take it all. No more dreams they wrote for me. I'm awake, I'm free. And this time, I'll never close my eyes again.